Hi guys, so I recently hauled this Griffin Simply Wildflower Meadow card making kit, but I don't think I unboxed it. I might have shown a little something really quickly. So we will do that today, unbox it and also make a quick card. The Simply line makes things simple, and that's the goal there. So let's check it out. So I will have this link in the description box for you guys, and also possibly in a little shopping bag right here. And those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Thank you for using those if you would like. It'll pop you right over there. So I love the shape of this. Again, it's that Wildflower collection, really pretty, subtle, you know, in my opinion. That paper looks really nice in the background. Again, when I had done a whole unboxing of like the scrapbooking collection or the mini album, I think I might have gone through the mini album items already. It wasn't like something that really called to me, but it looks really good in the background, so I figured it just kind of blends away. So there you go. And then just, you know, putting whatever flowers you like, your sentiment, and you're good to go. I am curious as far as the sentiment. So we have a get well soon, many thanks, wishing you all the best, you know, wishing you all the best on that one, thinking of you, happy birthday. I had my windows open and I heard something blow over. I don't remember where I was, but lots of happy birthday. I did see, I think, I like to look at comments and over something I picked up, or if it's Diamond Press items. I guess, oh, maybe I didn't say that. It's on HSN. The haul I did was for HSN items I had picked up. I think somebody had said that it was too many birthday things, so we will see. But we have flourishes, you know, just a few of those guys. Really pretty. Flowers, dragonflies. I'll put those there. Some bows already formed for you. Very easy. Your 3D adhesive. These beautiful topper pieces that are going to be so hard for me to use because the cards themselves, the base of them, are gorgeous. Look at this. I mean, why would I top that? Why would I cover that? It's already, in my opinion, ready to go. And maybe we won't use the topper today because, I don't know. I mean, it's so pretty already. And you can definitely take these and put them on another card, another 5x7, and not cover that prettiness. It's already there. Like, I don't know. It hurts my heart. So let's look at these guys. And let's go. I think that's it. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you're going to make 12 cards. That pink, again, we've gone through the papers, so, and it always makes my camera want to read it in a weird way. So let's keep it down here, I guess. That's more true. I don't know why if I get closer it's all, oh, let's make it orange. Let's make it orange. It's like, why? Look how pretty with the dragonflies. Love this. Honestly, I think I did a present, or did, or made it, did, what am I saying? Anyway, made a presentation with this, and this was on there, and I think the camera was just reading it kind of funky, just like my camera does weird stuff, because it looked really dark, and I'm like, what is that? I couldn't tell. But yeah, so you have the sunflower there and the pretty gold pieces, but, you know, cameras will read things in funky ways. And that's the back. The beautiful papers. And then, let's get this guy. Ooh, I thought this was just paper, but it's like coated, so it was harder to tear than I thought. Okay, so let's see what these guys say, because again, this is already pretty. It has the you know, cute shape, the gorgeous gold foiling, this matte layer that looks more 3D than anything, so I feel like I should just leave it. They are blank inside, so I don't know about having too many birthday things. I love that they're blank inside, because some of these Simply ones did come with, like, if it was for, you know, anniversary, and a lot of people are, oh, I wish it didn't say anything on the inside, but you can always cover it, and I actually brought some dies with me to show you that you can always cover them up. But look at how pretty these are. Yeah, I'm not going to do a matte layer. They're just so gorgeous. Maybe on this one, but even that, I mean, I really, really love it, and I wonder if she was listening to people, because a lot of folks were like, because you could choose to not use those stickers, but it, you know, but if the inside of the card also says, you know, on your anniversary something, then you're like, okay, you're kind of stuck with an anniversary card. But I brought these with me because I was going to die cut one in case I needed it. I thought, well, you can just cover it. So run it through. This is a cute little journaling tag. That's basically what it's for. But you can also put, you know, whatever it might be if it's not a birthday thing, like just your everyday, whatever you want to write on it. It does have lines, so it's not something you're going to be able to stamp on really well because it does have embossed lines, but maybe you stamp something. And pop that on top of, if there was a sentiment in here. Funny enough, I'm never prepared for it. The time I'm prepared for it, it's blank anyway. That's how it goes, isn't it? Okay, let's look at the beautiful flowers. And again, all from the Wildflower collection there. I should have looked that up. I forget what the name of that hydrangea. There's like a maiden something or something mop, and or mop heads or just mop heads, but there's definitely a name for that one. So your little dragonflies, of course, just all the flowers from the Wildflower collection. I pretty much talked about every single one of them in the unboxing video of the scrapbooking collection. So if I remember, I will link it in the description box. But otherwise, you can go to my channel and maybe just look more recently at the videos, and that unboxing will be there. So let's see what we have. It's pretty much everything we saw there. So happy birthday, right? Thinking of you. Many thanks. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Get well soon. Yeah. So, I mean, I think it's a good mix of everyday kinds of things. I was curious. I wasn't really sure what the cards would gear towards. Okay. You know, I love this one. I want to use this one. It's very pink. Oh, maybe we go with... Okay, let's go with this one. Only because it's a little difficult for me to think of what I want to put on it. So I guess that's a good one to try out with, right? Or to try out. I am going to try to use a bow today because a lot of times I skip over the bows. And I will want to use that. I'll put that back in here. Was that where these were? They were in some kind of paper or plastic. Paper or plastic. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so at this point we're just going to start messing around. A lot of times I just put music over it because, you know, we just start. But see what I'm saying? This kind of blends in. I guess that's why you would want a matte layer. But at the same time, the matte layers have those same things going on. Let's look at this. I'm not going to try to copy it, but I want to see kind of... It's busy. Even though it's very subtle, it's a little busy, right? This one here, I mean, it's basically going to be something like this. Yeah. Okay, so maybe we think of wishing you all the best. Okay? Alright, let's get a little closer. And it could be here, it could be right at the top. I don't know. We'll see. Let's try it out. I usually don't start with the curly Q things, but you never know. So we can have that up there. And maybe... I feel like that flower's already there, so I don't want to put too much of the flower. Is there another one? I'm probably going to put some music over this because it's going to take me a while. I have a feeling. Let's say that's there. Okay, maybe that can go that way. Alright. Okay, that flower fit in there a little nicer. We have this little guy. They just blend in so much, but I mean, that's what the example looked like too. Let me mess around a little bit more and I'll be right back. Pretty simple. So in my mind, what it was is everything was just kind of blending back. So I thought, what if instead of something like this, we use something that does have a lot of white edge to it, so that white edge kind of breaks up the background, you know, the flowers and everything that's going on back there. And I think that worked. So again, I generally don't like to move things around. Of course, my dryer's going off. I'll be right back. So as you know, I had a little bit of water issues. I don't even think I talked about how the water went into the dining area. It was into the, you know, guest bathroom downstairs here. It was like this far from going into the kitchen. And thank goodness it did not, because I do not want to deal with that again. I'm going to bring this one out a little bit. These are stickers. You can definitely take the back off. But, you know, I like to kind of have some time to move them around if I need to. On all of these guys. Bring that out a little bit more. Okay. Again, sticker. All stickers. Yeah, so I had just been washing all the towels that we used. Everything that was problematic that day. Well, actually, it wasn't problematic. Those really helped out. But it's been loads and loads and loads. All right, what do you got? I wanted this one kind of on top, didn't I? Something like that. Is that what I had? Let's put this leaf out a little bit more this way. Yeah. And to show you that these are stickers, I will poke the back of that. There are 3D adhesives in here that we talked about at the beginning, so you can definitely build up with those. See, this is kind of why I don't like using the stickers, because I wanted to be able to push them around. Let's see what we're looking at. That looks a little bit crooked. Maybe there. Is that better? Okay, I'm going to hold everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I'm going to show you better in real life what that kind of looks like. Again, camera reads are interesting. Let's see about these bows. I know Anna mentioned that she stuck it down with the same dimensional that's in the kit, so I'm curious of that. I'm thinking about putting it there. It covers a lot of this flower though. So maybe we put it actually on this thing. I don't know if I would use a dimensional in that case. I probably won't, because then it's just going to pop it up that much more. I really want it like here, to be honest. Okay, fine, let's just put it there. That's okay. So I'll take one of these dimensionals and put it right back there. Yeah, you don't really see it. That's pretty good. If you do, just cut it down a little bit. You can just trim it with a scissor. That's interesting. Never done that before. Hopefully it stays. All right, guys. Well, there is our simply very quick card. Yeah, really pretty collection. Again, subtle, but at the same time, it has a lot going on, apparently. So I'll remember that when I go to make the layouts, and just keep an eye out for those videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the, like I said, the links are there, possibly in the description box if you prefer there. And I'll have some images coming up, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.